All right, I know what you guys are thinking, and I feel bad, honestly, because I told you guys I was gonna do this web series and I was gonna try to be consistent, and I put out episode 1 with the 31 questions, or how many ever questions it was, and then it's 2019 and episode 2 still hasn't dropped. I've been slacking, a lot's been going on, but I'm here. The journey continues. World Rebels, the journey, episode 2 is here, so enjoy it. Let me get you guys caught up real quick on what exactly happened with World Rebels. The story begins in 2012. That's when I started World Rebels. When I first started World Rebels, I think I was doing everything that I should have been doing. I was being consistent. I was putting out new products basically every month. I was traveling, I was hitting up events, concerts, I was connecting with artists. I was grinding. Then, unfortunately, I just stopped. I lost focus. I stopped putting out. I stopped being consistent, trying to appease other people basically, and just left what I truly should have been focusing on this entire time. So 2012, 2013, it was great. The fan base grew pretty good. Back then, before all the crazy algorithms and everything with Instagram, you know, I grew a couple of thousand followers, and then everything changed. While I was kind of gone, like 2014, 15, 16, and most of 2017, I tried putting out like a collection here and there, but I never gave it my all. And when that happened, you know, people forgot about the brand. People stopped following the brand. It basically died. So right now my challenge is, how do I bring it from where it's at right now to at least get it back to where I was at the beginning, where I was being consistent, where people were finding out about the brand in whatever different ways, and where, yeah, sales and everything. That's my challenge. These are gonna be fire. So these are the Chanel patches that I'm gonna be putting on these new hoodies. I'm trying to think of a name still. Don't know what to call it. It has like a Lego vibe, but I don't want to like call it the Lego World Rebels patch hoodie because trademark. These are new. Y'all definitely need to hit these up. It's pretty affordable, $8 for the silicone mascot keychain. I definitely want to drop a lot of these throughout the year, so you know, just something affordable that you can purchase to show support to the brand. And then these hoodies. So this week's video is just going to be focusing on this. We're going to do a shoot on Saturday, and then I'll be filming it behind the scenes. I got my boy Chase Gozy. He's going to be doing the shoot for me, and it's not going to be anything huge. So we're going to need to have
each of them
wearing,
right?
Each
two
color.
colors, yeah. You might as well switch.
There you go.
Hey, just go ahead and take them on.
4 letters like love, but less precious. More like electric veins running fast that frenzy my heart, make me crave and act restless. So infectious.
I'm trying to get him to look a little more like calm and relaxed, like he's done this.
Really,
I
honestly, you got like the perfect height and body for the stews.
Like, I mean, you want to stand straight, but you can still
Like you can be, you don't have to flex. You can be relaxed, but still straight. Yeah, you don't gotta hold your shoulders.
Just get that
You
shot.
look cool in the big one.
Get that shot. goodness gracious. I promise, like, it's always something. So this week has been a pretty important week. I was working on the hoodies, and I also connected with this pretty dope up-and-coming competitive Call of Duty blackout player, and he and I both agreed, like, yo, yeah, we'll work together. I'll send you some merch, you'll rock the brand, and you'll, promote it during your live streams and everything. And so I still am, but I was super excited to be able to get him this care package from World Rebels. And so I hooked my man up with, like, I think it was like at least $300 worth of merch, hoodies, t-shirts, keychains, like the whole 9 yards. Got him a package, sent it to him, and then he hits me up and was like, bro, I think I got the wrong package. And then right now it's looking like maybe someone from I'm in Tennessee, sorting, he's in Texas. It looks like someone from a Tennessee sorting facility took the shipping label off my bag, put it on some random box from like Hot Topic, and then sent him that instead. So I'm at the post office, just gonna try to see what can be done, or I don't know, worst case, I sent out $300 plus worth of merch that someone else stole, and then I'm just gonna have to resend them some stuff. I don't know, about to go in there and figure it out, y'all, but just wanted to get this on the journey. Okay, so that's it. Episode 2 is done, in the books. I did it. I'm already working on episode 3, so y'all don't have to worry about me taking like 5 years to put that out. And the whole package situation, I ended up having to just go ahead and send him a whole nother package, so that really sucked. The post office was like, there's really nothing they can do. They can't like check cameras to see what happened. I have to just file a claim and all this stuff, which I did, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's all good. Things happen, life happens, but we got to keep just moving forward. Youngsters did get his other package, which is good. And I'll keep you guys updated on the whole World Rebels gaming esports thing throughout the year as I dive deeper into that whole market. And appreciate everybody who's pre-ordered the Legos hoodies. If you would like to get a Legos hoodie, go ahead, hit up worldrebels.com. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to World Rebels TV right here on YouTube. And make sure you're following World Rebels on Instagram. Like, comment, post, share this. Let everybody know World Rebels is back in the building, baby. All right, I'm out. It's Ronnie Free. This is World Rebels The Journey, episode 2. I'll see y'all in episode 3.